Hey YouTube, how you doing out there, YouTubers? This is Ronnie Gibson with you. I just ordered this package from China from Eachmall.com. I mean, they're pretty decent. Size I offer. I just did my first purchase on both of these sites, and from I offer, I didn't get my package yet. It said it already been delivered, but I ordered it last week and it hasn't. They haven't gave me no tracking number, but each mail ordered from there for 2 times, and I'm fussing to be getting some beats in 2 weeks from Eachmall, and I'll be doing a recording on my beats from Eachmall. This is from China. This is China stuff. When you get stuff from China, some of it's real and fake, but the beats in this, they're real deal. And I'm supposed to get them in about a week or two. It takes 7-20 days, just like this did. I got this May 28th. It took almost the end of the month. It takes about 2 weeks to get stuff from them, 2 or 3 weeks to get stuff to them. This depends on where you live at. And this is the US Micro HDMI cable for your phones, like your Mega, Galaxy Mega, Galaxy S3 or whatever you're going to use it for, but this is for your Samsung phones. You plug it up to your phone or any smartphone, you plug it into your TV, and you can see what's on your phone on the TV. Like if you want to play a game or Grand Theft Auto, you can see it from this cable off your phone onto the TV. And or you can watch YouTube through your phone, or Netflix through your phone, through this cable to the TV. You just plug this cable up just like your phone charger and plug it up to the TV. So we're going to get into unpackaging this. I haven't unpackaged it yet. I started on it, but I was going to wait to show y'all. So let's jump right into it. See what we got. See what we got here. Put that beside. Here's the cable right here. Let's see. Get this open here. A little hard time getting it open. Let's see. Go. Just got it open. Here we go. Here's the cable. It's a good strong cable. It's like the Beats cable. It's made by the Beats cable by Dr. Dre, the real Beats cable, and it's good. I recommend it.